Okay, I absolutely adore this little Antares. Just the finish on it for me. A little Bakelite cover, Bakelite cover. It sits on a foot, like a foot print. Cereal, I still have yet to look up. And it's got problems with the bail. This springs come off, so I had to mess with that. And then this knob comes loose, so it needs some Loctite because then you can't advance. But once it's tightened up, it advances just fine. I can use a little bit of oil. So we'll mess with that. But what a cute little machine. Isn't that finish? Must be Italian.